All right, what's good, boys? Today is Monday, October 27th. Honestly, very, very stupid fucking day, like in my opinion, right? Lost around $6,000. That's not why I'm calling it a stupid day. I would take my trade 1,000 out of 1,000 times. Let's go on the hourly time frame. We're obviously bullish. On every time frame you can name, we're bullish. That's not why I think price went up. Let's go here. Number one draw on liquidity is always going to be new week opening gap, which we have yet to fill. We have not filled new week opening gap yet. This is obviously a draw on liquidity for the week to fill. Besides that, we have London lows, Asian lows, midnight open, all resting below us, all draws on liquidity. There's nothing above us, right? So when I see price tapped into this bearish 5-minute gap, closed lower while inversing this 15-minute bullish gap, and also disrespecting this 1-hour gap, there's no reason for price to push any lower. So what do? I enter off the CISD at 927. At this point in time, we're inversing the 15-minute bearish or bullish gap, right? What is my target? This internal low right here. That's it. This internal low right here. Entered after the CISD. Price at market open just fucking ripped for zero reason. Zero reason to take out. This high is not significant. It is not a session high. It is not any high. This is a very, very stupid fucking day with price action. And this isn't just me complaining. Look at what price did after I got stopped out. Nothing. We've been shopping around for the whole day. Right? So unfortunately, I am a fucking idiot. And I didn't have my stop loss set. I was very confident in this trade and I didn't think I had to set a stop loss until price was all the way up here. So I ended up closing my trade like here. Quite literally ended up closing my trade there. So this is the trade I got stopped out on. This was the actual trade idea, something like this. This is where my stop loss would have been above this body, right? And the reason I didn't show myself the break even after we swept this internal low is for one of two reasons. A, this internal low got swept right at market open, 929, just so it's too fast to actually think about it. And number two, price could have retested this order block and this, this breaker block and this bearish FEG. So I didn't want to get stopped out on that retrace. Market open tends to retrace a lot, not like this. So unfortunately lost today. Not much we can do about it. Literally nothing we can do about it. But yeah, if you guys have any questions about this trade, this is going to be a very quick trade recap and market recap because there's literally nothing else. On gold, I did like this short here. Right? I don't have any accounts to take it on. I'm still waiting for my transfer to get approved on Webull. I'm opening a live account with them. And I'm going to hope to fully transition to live very soon. But yeah, today was a fucking stupid day in the market. No movement. Look at the 5-minute time frame. Oh my god. Just look at the... Oh, it's a 3-minute. Look at the 5-minute time frame. Doesn't make any sense, right? Look at the 3-minute time frame. You're not trading this. You should not be trading this, right? Unfortunately, I got into the move early. And I didn't know price action was going to look this sloppy. If I saw this high get taken out, I would have probably entered... Actually, I would have taken this short. That's not a bad short. I like that short a lot, right? That's a guarantee short, right? Which is the same setup as this. Fortunately, this doesn't play out. This is actually a better setup than this is. This is just a sweep of buy side with an IFEG. This is a respective of 5-minute and a 1-minute CSD and a 1-minute IFEG and a 15-minute IFEG. Very, very sloppy price action. Like I said, here's my P&L for the day. I don't hide anything from you guys. Down 1,300 on 5 lightning funded. So do the math on that is... basically down $6,500. Not too bad, honestly. But yeah, very unfortunate day. Not much to say about it. If you guys have any questions about this trade, that was an accident, my bad. I don't know why it's doing that. There. All right. If you guys have any questions about this trade, like I said, my bias was bearish because A, the 15-minute was, at the time, respecting this bearish CISD. We closed lower. That's a bearish close in the 15-minute. So now the 15-minute is bearish. The hourly is still bullish. Why? We're respecting this hourly gap. However, the fact that we tapped into it for 3 hours, I really thought we were going to inverse it. Now, on top of that, there's London lows below us, there's midnight open below us, and Asian lows. So 3 draws on liquidity, which ES also did not take. ES edge. This is very, very poor price action, right? If you lost today, like me, for example, don't really feel ashamed. Not much to it. But yeah, any questions, feel free to ask them. I will be there to answer. I hope you guys have a great fucking day. Trade safe, right? If you guys are going to get any evals today, use code Ale at checkout. And I will see you boys tomorrow. Peace out.